Talk a little about timing, and I know most of you are in, some of you are in 10th, some of you are in 11th, so they're very different phases sort of in the college preparation period. Those of you in 10th grade, I tell people it's never too early to start, and Judy just really emphasized that. People in 11th grade, you're getting to the point where you have to take the SAT, you're on more of a timeline, and the timeline is less flexible as you get closer to sort of the time you actually have to send in your applications. And you have fewer times to retake the SATs, you have fewer times to adapt your schedule. That means you only have like really one summer if you really want to go visit colleges. I mean, your time is sort of, you'd be surprised at how between now and by the time you put in your college applications next fall, it will go by so fast, okay? You won't even know what's happened, okay? For basically this semester, you get out of school in June, you're probably a quarter of the way through this semester. Next year will go about 5 times as fast because you'll have not only your school and your activities, you'll have one other thing in your life that's really important that's going to be taking over, which is the college application process. So not only do you have 2 or 3 things going on, you'll now have 4 or 5 things going on. And really the most important thing is preparing for your future. So the college preparation period, particularly in that critical period between now and the time you send in your applications, is really critical. You have to choose schools, you have to finish your SAT prep, you have to continue to excel at school. You have to continue sort of, if you're working, you have to continue to work. There are lots of different things which you have to do. Okay, people in 10th grade, you have a little bit more time, is a little more luxury. You have more time to take the SATs. You have more time to think about things, more time to experiment with classes and things like that. So preparing is always a good thing, and getting started early is a very good thing. But you're not sitting here as second semester senior saying, I want to go to college and taking the SAT for the first time. Those are people we really worry about, okay? Not people like you.